Where are we going?
Panda.
No. This is just a snacky. Well, actually not just a snack. It's dinner. We are on our way to Walt Disney World, Disney's Yacht Club Resort. It's just the hubby and I on this trip. Then we'll be headed to St. Petersburg, Florida. Yahoo!
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this.
We're at Stuckey's in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. And we absolutely love Stuckey's. We stop here whenever we're driving to Disney or to Florida. Stuckey's. I'm gonna look at Stuckey's stuff. Ryan, these bamboo relaxation pillows are like that bamboo thing on our bed. Like the snakes. Ryan says 1937. Let me see it. Show it to
That
me.
was broke.
Someone picked these up. Peanut logs. Yeah,
Oh,
you
here's
gotta
the
get
peanut
one of
one.
those. Well, we haven't
You rather have the
been to
peanut or
Stuckey's.
the pecan?
Peanut.
You want the peanut?
I don't know which. The normal one we always
You
get.
want
The
pecans?
pecan?
Peanuts. They're different. One's got
Oh.
pecans, one's got peanuts. Which one do you like better?
I don't know. What's the normal one they're well known
Pecan
for?
is the one that
I
we're
thought it
known
was-
for, but it doesn't.
Yeah. That's the one I want. Pecan. Yeah. When I was little, my grandpa used to give me these. Look,
Yeah, I would not eat those. That's what I'm talking about. I would never eat.
my grandpa would give me these every time we walked over his house. Those were the best circus peanuts, Ryan circus peanuts ever. Okay. Are you eating the pecan log now? Yeah. It's so good. Pecan log from Stuckey's. Gosh.
It's probably not that good.
It's better than I remember. If you were a superhero, what powers would you have? Flying, for sure. I would fly. Always wanted to fly. What?
Aquaman's power.
This pecan log has something else great in it. Huh? Yeah. Are they supposed to?
Yeah.
God, that's good. I don't remember that. Okay. What would you be? What would you do? Your superhero? Magic? What?
Aquaman.
Aquaman.
Yeah. Talk
Really?
to fish.
You'd be the main merman.
Come and get in my boat.
What's your favorite zoo animal? Well, there's a lot of cute ones. A koala's cute. Koala bear. If they really hug on you like that. A sloth, because it's funny looking and funny movements. What's your favorite? Giraffes are pretty cool. A little creepy.
I love watching.
Tigers.
I love watching panthers, and I love watching monkeys.
Yeah, monkeys monkeying around. That is cute. About to go in the tunnel in Mobile, Alabama at night. Well, I guess it always looks like it's night when we're in it, whether it's day or night. Last time we came to Florida, I filmed it, but I guess it really does look the same. He did haul butt though, that diesel one. It looks really cool at night, I have to admit. It almost looks like Space Mountain a little bit, which you don't know because you've not ridden it, but it kind of looks like that inside. Actually, it's making me a little nauseous. I'm trying not to look through the camera.
detergent, uniformly snarl, and Lipton tea. Plus, every time you purchase $50 in participating
It's
items,
morning.
you can earn a
6:05
$10 Publix
a.m.
gift card.
We've
Tap
driven
now for
straight from
details,
Louisiana.
Or visit
We are in
stockingsfree.com.
almost to Lake City, Florida, within about 20 minutes.
Spot a fires. Count on your
And
tires
we have
every
another
day to
2
get you where
hours
you need
and
to go.
18
Works,
minutes left
gym.
until we get to Walt Disney World. Bugs. I gotta get in between the bugs. Look at that beautiful sight. Woohoo! Almost there, babe. Woo! Give me 5. Give me 5. Boop, boop. Look how gorgeous. Stop and smell the roses, even though those are not roses.
It's your rainbow. Your rainbow?
Oh, I do, babe. That's good luck. Yay. How beautiful is that? I know. Really? It's not? Yeah.
It's really bad.
In a minute, we're going to have to put them on, though, because we're getting near the door and kind of closer to people.
It is a shame to deprive the world of this beautiful face.
You think? This is the most walking I've done in 13 hours in that car.
It's most walking, yeah.
It feels good. Magnolia trees are beautiful. Port Cachere at Disney's Yacht Club. Take a big whiff when you walk in too, babe. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it through here, babe. I know, duh. See the big hidden Mickey on the carpet?
Yeah, I got the back door.
Here. Bell services over there. Check-ins here.
He's right there.
Hidden Mickey right there. Allen Compass. We are in room 2082. We're on the second floor at Disney's Yacht Club Resort. Right when you come in, the usual deluxe amenities. You have the refrigerator. You have ice machine, Keurig, and all the fixins. And your cups for sodas, water, or coffee. You also have your beautiful, I call them all barn doors or pocket door or sliding door. But it's more of a barn door because a pocket door would go into another wall. Beautiful. And this is the bathroom. Let me get the light on. Smells so good too right when you walk in. And this is Disney's Yacht Club. It's a garden and / woods view room. The amenities that come with it would be lotion, shower cap, mouthwash, vanity kit, and facial soap. Of course, Kleenex, washcloths, hair dryer, also bath soaps, shampoo, conditioner, and plenty of towels. And this one does have a bathtub. A lot of the deluxe resorts and other resorts are going to showers. So I'm actually glad to see it does have a bathtub. There's of course the clothesline. Stretch it out, dry all your swimsuits and clothes. You have bath salt, shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. You have a well-lit shower, bigger than the Polynesians used to be. A full-length mirror. Another lit, I said shower, but I meant closet. They never give you enough hangers though. At any deluxe resort we've ever stayed. Always have to ask for more. Shelves down there. And you of course have your safe, your ironing board, your iron, and your shelves. Adjoining room and luggage rack. Plenty of drawer space here, extra bedding, TV, drawers, your sofa that can sleep a few folks. That's what that extra linen is for. And this room reminds me a lot of, for some reason, it reminds me a lot of the Grand Floridian. I love the space underneath the beds. I love the wood or the laminate, whatever it is. Nice little nightstand. And beautiful desk and mirror. Love the wallpaper. Love the constellations and the dark curtains. I love all the lighting. 1971, the year Walt Disney World Resort opened. Almost 50 years ago. Lots of mirrors, lots of outlets, lots of USB ports, and a wonderful view of the quiet pool. Absolutely beautiful. And hot tub, and a very nice sized balcony. Very, very nice sized balcony. Let's go check it out while we're here. Ooh, the doors remind me a lot also of the boardwalk. Wow. Nice size space here. See? And I love this. It makes the room feel so much bigger with the windows on each side of the sliding glass door. Gorgeous. This is going to be a lovely stay. And look at that view, guys. This is room 2082, Disney's Yacht Club. Tennis courts, the beautiful quiet pool, jacuzzi, or hot tub, whatever you want to call it. The big dolphin up there. And some other quiet garden view, woods view rooms. Couldn't ask for a better one. Ready for the pool?
Yes.
Here's a little sneak peek. What? Yes, and you loved it. We ate at dinner there. Let's walk outside. I know. There's where we'll be. Right over there. Let's go check in, babe. Right on time too, babe. 9:52. Going to check into our full day cabana. That's storm along bay. On our first full day of travel. And the entrance is this way. Oh. I guess I don't have to.
No, you don't.
Thank God. I forgot. That's so sad.
Mommy, don't know.
Everybody's waiting for the pool to open. Wow, we have never gotten to a pool drop before. Ever. Yeah.
We had to work out every morning for when we stayed at, where was that at?
We stayed at the beach club.
Yeah, it was a really good place to
Yes,
work out.
we stayed at the beach club then. And we are going right here. Lord, we are like the worst.